Where are you from? I am from Ashanti. Where is Ashanti? It is in West Africa. Or are you talking about Ghana? No, I am talking about Ashanti. But Ashanti is under the Republic of Ghana. No, Ghana is under Ashanti. So who's your president? We don't have a president, but we have a king. Then anyone who's from Ashanti is called Otumfoinana. Can you give me one song? Okay, I'm Ghanaian by birth, but Ashanti by grace. I'm Ghanaian by birth, oh, but Ashanti by grace. I am lucky that God accepted my application letter to be born an Ashanti, because I know some got their applications rejected.